Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, eastern Horry County in northeastern South Carolina until 12:15 a.m. At 11:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Little River entrance, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include North Myrtle Beach, Charlotte, Sunset Beach, Holden Beach, Ocean Isle Beach, Little River, Iredell, Carolina Shores, Calabash, Gracetown, Seaside, Rushdown, and Brooksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The effective